How to add back to top button in Shopify. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add a back to the top button on your Shopify store. So let's say if you go into your Shopify store, it's pretty expensive, your homepage is very long, and people have to scroll all the way down, and there is no button to go back on the top. So there is going to be a button which will take people directly to the start of their page. So let's get into it. Now, the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to log onto your Shopify store. So this is my dashboard over here. And if you go on your dashboard, what you're going to do is you're going to click on online store over here. Once you click on online store, what you're going to do is you're going to click on actions and you're going to click on duplicate. Now, the reason that you have to click on duplicate is that if you ever mess up the code of your website, so if you ever mess up your actual e-commerce store, you're going to have a copy over here, a copy of the entire code present within the Shopify dashboard. So you're going to be able to restore your website as it was if you make any mistakes. And a lot of people are like, hey, I don't need to make a duplicate, whatever. It really doesn't matter. I think it's better safe than to be sorry that you didn't copy your code because we all can make mistakes, and a tiny little mistake might cost you hundreds and thousands of dollars if your website goes down for a while, if maybe the layouts get messed up and it takes you days to fix them, if you have to pay someone to fix your layout. So make sure to create a duplicate of your website. Now, if you have a running store, then definitely 100% obviously create the duplicate and then click on actions on the duplicate, and then you can click on edit code, or you can go directly into your current theme, click on actions and click on edit code over here. And once you click on edit code, it is going to take you to the code of your actual Shopify store. So don't be phased out. Don't be confused that, oh my God, this is so difficult. I don't know how to write code. I don't know how to do this, that, and all that. You don't have to worry about that at all. So it's going to be a very simple copy and paste method, and I'm going to show you guys everything you need to copy and paste and the links on where to copy and paste. So don't worry, even if you have no know-how of how to copy or edit or even write code, even if you don't have like the basic est understanding of code, I am pretty sure that you can easily follow along with me. So all you're going to do is you're going to take a look at these sections and you're going to click on snippets over here. Once you click on snippets, you're going to click on add a new snippet. And then what you're going to do is you're going to write it back to dash top. And then you're just going to click on create snippet. Now you can see over here you have back to top liquid. And what you're going to do is you're going to go onto this website, which is called Ecom Experts. I will link it in the description box down below. And then you're just going to copy this entire code over here, just like that. And then you're just going to copy. And then you're going to go back into the new folder or snippet that you created and make sure to press backspace a couple of times because you don't want any gaps over here. And then you're just going to click on paste over here. And it should be around 77 lines of code. And then you're just going to click on save. And just like that, you have finished half of the process. Legitimately, you have finished half of the process to create the button. Now, once you have created this little section, you can just close it from here. And now you're going to click on layout. And within your layout, you're going to click on theme.liquid. So once you click on theme.liquid, you're going to go back into the ecom experts, and then you're going to just copy this one line of code. You're going to click on copy over here. You're going to go back into your code. You're going to press Command F or Control F, and then you're just going to search for body. So just search for body, or you can just scroll down, but that's totally up to you. So you're just going to scroll down, and this ending tag over here. So this ending body tag, you're going to click behind it and you're going to make some space above it. And once you make some space above it, you're going to click on paste over here. It really doesn't matter if you create too much space because space really doesn't matter in code. You can just create however much space you're comfortable with and just add this over here. And then you're going to click on save. And just like that, my asset has been saved. So yeah, that is how you add your basic and simple back to top button on your website. If you have any issues running into this method, then you definitely need to go back into your online store, and then you need to see the theme that you are using. So sometimes with different themes, you might run into certain issues. Newer themes on Shopify do not support a lot of the code changes that people make. So You need to be aware of that if you are running any kind of uh, fresh theme, like the brand new theme from Shopify, whatever it might be. It might not be able to take code edits as well as the older themes have adapted to changing and being manipulated with codes. Now, if this is still too difficult for you, if you don't want to do the entire code process, you can go into your search bar, click on apps over here, and then you can search for back to top over here. So you can see over here you have mobile app builder or colorful scroll to top button. You have your 80 scroll to top, scroll to top. So you have like a lot of different scroll to top buttons, and colorful scroll to top button by Effective Apps is available for free as well. So if you don't want to do the entire code change, you can just click on add apps and add this application onto your e-commerce store. So you're just going to click on install app over here, and then it is going to appear in your installed app list in over here. Right now, my online store is definitely running into an issue because the code on my store has been corrupted because I made like a few too many changes to it. But if you go on to your app section, all you have to do is click on the search bar, click on apps, and go on to this application that you want to add, just like that, and then you can just integrate the application onto your store. So this is how easy and simple it is for you to integrate new code or even new applications onto your Shopify store. Shopify is a great platform for most people to create their e-commerce store to get started and bring their business online. Shopify really helps you to optimize the entire process of running the business. It's not just your e-commerce website developer, but also a business manager. But it is not available for free. So Shopify starts at $29 with the basic version where you can create your online store and have two staff accounts and add unlimited products. So in all of the versions of Shopify, you're going to be able to add unlimited products. Then you have the basic Shopify plan, which starts at $79, where you're able to add five staff accounts. You can add up to five inventory locations. You have standard reporting as well. And you also have a shipping discount of up to 88%. And you also get a lower transaction rate. So the higher paid version you opt for on Shopify, the lower the transaction rates you get on Shopify. So that is one thing to keep in mind when you are using Shopify. Another thing is that they have the advanced version as well, which starts at $2.99. Although it has a lot of features, for most people, I find them to be useless. I'm not going to sugarcoat it. I don't think that any person that is starting out their ecom business is going to need all of the features present in the advanced version, or is even going to, notice the difference between the advanced and the basic version. Because if you're a one-man company and you're selling slimes on Instagram and now you want to create your own store, you really just need the basics and that's around it. Having all of these excessive features really should not matter to most people, and I think that for most people's need, the basic version of Shopify starting at $29 is going to be good enough to add your basic products, add your back to top buttons, add your product bundles, and all of that basic good stuff with codes or application integration. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. And if you know anyone that is looking for some help on how to add these different buttons and how to add some of these customizations to their store, make sure to share this video with them as well. And I will catch you guys in the next video.